Many people say the Trinity is a contradiction. 3 equals 1. They say, that breaks logic. The Trinity is not claiming 3 persons and 1 person. It claims 3 persons and 1 being. Those are not the same category. Christian theology does not say 3 equals 1. It says 3 in one category and 1 in another. That is not a contradiction. It is a distinction. The confusion comes from collapsing categories. When person and being are treated as identical, a contradiction is created artificially. Logic isn't being violated, that it's being misapplied. You can have one thing with more than one relational distinction without contradiction. Unity does not require sameness of role or relation. This distinction wasn't invented late. It appears early, carefully, as Christians tried to remain faithful to both Scripture and reason. If the Trinity were a contradiction, Christian theology would collapse immediately. It hasn't, because it isn't. The Trinity challenges intuition, but it does not violate logic. Before rejecting it, make sure you're rejecting what it actually claims.